This video is on writing ions in electron configurations, orbital notation, and noble gas notation. So electrons are added to or removed from the highest energy orbital. Remember that electron or elements become ions by gaining or losing electrons to become like their closest noble gas. So for example, anything that are nonmetals, so on this side of the line, are going to gain electrons to become like their noble gas. Anything that's to the left of our staircase are going to lose electrons to become like the noble gas. So that way their total number of electrons is the same as the electrons in any of these noble gases. So for example, we have cobalt, and cobalt is here. Cobalt has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d7. Now, when cobalt becomes cobalt plus 2, it's going to lose electrons because it's a metal. It's to the left of our staircase line. It's going to lose electrons, become like its closest noble gas. In this case, it's going to lose 2 electrons, become closer to its noble gas of argon. And they're going to be removed from the highest energy orbital. Our highest energy orbital here is the orbital with the highest number on it. So 4 is our highest energy level, and our 4 energy level just has the s orbital, so it's going to come out of here. If we would have had 4p, it would have come out of the 4p orbital because p is higher than s. Okay, and that's back from our electron configuration notes. So when we go to cobalt plus 2, I'm going to lose 2 electrons, so it gets an overall positive charge from the highest energy orbital. So that's going to come out of these electrons here. So I rewrite, everything stays the same except for my 4s2 is now going to be 4s0 and then 3d7. Okay. Therefore, it's going to have an orbital notation that looks just like its original, except my 4s is going to stay blank because there's no electrons there. And my 3d is still going to have 7. Okay. Its noble gas notation, cobalt. We go back to its last noble gas, argon, put that in brackets. Then continue writing our electron configuration. So after argon, we get 4s. And because it's an ion, it's going to be 4s0. And then continuing on, 3d7. Okay? And that's how we're going to write ions in electron configurations, orbital notations, and noble gas notations. Now, if this had a negative charge, we'd be adding to our highest energy orbital. Okay? But same idea.